Is with Parrotuncle. Parrotuncle is an online brand that focuses on lighting. They have an array of lighting. So let's jump into what I got and then I'll tell you more. Okay, you guys, so this is before and this is after. So let me break down to you and let you know what they sent out to me because wow, what a difference. Okay, Parrotuncle sent out to me two chandeliers. I don't know about y'all, but I got tired of not having a fan in these bedrooms for the summertime. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes. Now, one of these chandeliers is a very traditional chandelier, but has a contemporary flair. Now, the reason why I say this one is traditional because of the dark color. And when I say it has a hint of contemporary, it's because the light fixture. Now, the light fixture makes it feel really contemporary. Now, the other one, this one is more glam. This one is silver and has the diamond light fixture and it's really, really glam. Now, both of these rooms are going to have the chandeliers, but both of these rooms have a different design aesthetic. One is more contemporary with traditional feel, and the other one is really modern and glam. I will have the link down below to Parrotuncle website in the description box. Now, you guys, take a look at this. So what are your thoughts? Do you see what I'm talking about when I say it has a traditional look, but also with a hint of contemporary? You see what I said? I mean, did I call it right? But look how beautiful this is, you guys. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? So cute. Look at that. Okay, y'all, so these are all done. I got the fan on low so you can see it. It's acrylic blades. These fans are from Parrotuncle. They are so amazing, you guys. So let me show you the other one. You see that one, y'all? Let me see. And they come with remote, remember? So I got that one on low too, so you guys can see. And I changed the light in it as well. Let me stand back so you guys can really see what they look like. They're so pretty. I will have the link down below to these actual fans and to the website.